Picks up the poles. Okay, I think this needs to go in here.
Yeah, put it in there then.
We'll go in here. This is like a feather on my chin. I hope you know that.
Stop the wind.
I'm gonna need your help though to get her in there to then get Doodle.
What do you want me to do?
You gotta have the holder in the wind. I know you're not particularly camera ready today, but there's not a lot we can do, okay? I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna walk her down and then I'll close the gate and then you hold her and I need to go get Doodle.
Yeah. Oh, it's windy.
It's bad, isn't it? Are you coming? Gracie. You already think I'm such a weirdo trying to... Oh no, you think I'm even weirder for making you exercise in this. Can you hold this again?
I'm the cameraman, not a...
Well, we can only deal with what we've got. I don't have an extra groom person. Oh, huh? Tightening these up because she's got new, I don't know what they called, like, I don't know. I don't know what the word is. Pad things in there for. Come on, Peppa. Let's go make this as quick as possible. She's already not interested, by the way. Right, where are you going to stand where you're not going to be in the way? No, because I'll end up tripping up over you. Come on. Oh, good girl. Well done. And then. Why has it got worse since we started doing this? Good girl. Make this nice and quick, Peppa, but it's just so you burn off a bit of energy. Oh, this is vile. Good girl. Like, don't run the cameraman over. Good girl. At least you got your coat on, at least it's waterproof. Good girl. Oh! You weren't meant to do that. Good girl. Good girl. Peppa. Oh. Well done. Good girl. Let's have a minute. Good girl. Enter. Steady. Well done. This way. Good girl. This is just vile. Good girl. Well done. Are you going again, are you? Okay. Good girl. Canter. Good girl, it's better. Steady. Okay. Steady. I don't think there's anything wrong with you, is there? Good girl. She's made me go really dizzy from that.
How'd it go?
Well, there's nothing wrong with you, is there?
Cool.